So today we're gonna talk about this Korean word the girls like to use and guys like to hear. In this video, we're gonna talk about Oppa.
Oppa. Oppa. Oppa.
You know that Oppa is not husband. I'm actually calling you brother.
Oh man, what the hell? What does that mean?
Oppa means brother, older brother called by younger sister.
Ah, okay.
But even though we're not related, why do I call you Oppa?
Because you want me to help you out.
This is a Korean culture. Even though you're not part of the family, I mean, we are family, but we're not siblings, let's say. But we still call each other sisters and brothers. Just like certain culture, they call each other yo bro.
Bro, brah.
Because in English culture, if you say bros, it almost indicates that you're following certain generation of culture, right? Because obviously your parents will not call each other yo bro. But Korean culture though, when you say oppa, it doesn't mean you're like yo bro. This is literally the way we communicate with other people. So when you're older man called by younger sister, then they're gonna call you oppa.
It confers some accountability, some expectation.
Oh, I don't know.
Well, it does implicitly. If you're the older brother, right?
Yeah, I guess so.
Got to take care. Got to care for the child.
When we met for the first time, and I called you oppa from day one, pretty much. And when you visited South Korea, you realized I was calling a lot of my friends oppa. And how did you feel?
Kind of pissed.
You were pissed.
Yeah, I was pissed.
You weren't sure why I was calling everyone honey. You thought that oppa is like honey, darling.
Yeah. 자기 여보.
Also, soon after, table was flipped. You know why?
At the bar?
No, because you realize that other friends who are female called you oppa.
All the ladies.
All the ladies.
Yeah. Yeah, my Korean expedition.
Even my sister called you oppa. You're like, oh.
Even your mama. No, maybe not. Your mama.
I found the Westerners or someone who's learning Korean, they think that the word oppa is very sweet word for somebody you like.
Sounds
you
like
wanna
it.
Express. But it's not really the case. Even if someone's really fugly and you don't like, but if they're older and in a close relationship, let's say, or somebody, even acquaintance, you know, but got to know each other, but still acquaintance, but we refer to them as oppa.
I see.
Unless it is out of the professional environment, then you may call them based on their titles. So I guess the conclusion is that if you hear oppa from somebody, don't get too hoped up.
Don't get your hopes up.
Because it may not really mean anything that you're thinking of.
But don't give up.
At least don't get angry. If you like this video today, make sure to give it a like. And if you have any questions, also let me know in the comment down below. Then we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye-bye.
I'm just trying to get ahead now.